Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ginger Toast. Today we are going to make tiramisu, a very popular Italian dessert. It's a dessert that can be made without baking. Tiramisu is espresso soaked ladyfinger biscuits laid with a light and airy filling made from mascarpone cheese and eggs. It's very easy to make and takes less than 20 minutes to assemble. Let's check the ingredients needed for this. Ladyfinger biscuits, eggs, mascarpone cheese, espresso or instant coffee, powdered sugar, cocoa powder and liquor. Let's make the coffee first. Recipe requires espresso coffee or any strong black coffee. I usually take any instant coffee powder and mix it with water. Take 1 cup of hot water and add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder in it. Mix this well and keep it aside to cool down. We need 2 eggs. This recipe uses raw eggs, so make sure you always use the freshest eggs available. Separate the egg whites from the yolks and put them in 2 different bowls. We are going to beat the egg whites first. You can use a whisk, but it will take longer. So it's preferable to use an electric mixer. Whisk until you get soft peaks. When you hold the ball upside down and the egg whites are not falling, that means it's ready. You can keep it outside or you can keep it in the refrigerator until it's needed. I'm going to keep it in the refrigerator. Now we will whisk the egg yolks. Add 2 heaped tablespoons of powdered sugar into this. Whisk until it is creamy. Scrape the sides and whisk again. Add mascarpone cheese into this. Mascarpone cheese is similar to cream cheese but sweeter in taste. This is a 500 gram bottle and I'm adding 250 grams into this. If you don't get mascarpone cheese in your local shops, as an alternative you can try a combination of cream cheese and heavy cream. Taste will be different. Whisk the cream slowly with the electric mixer. Now take the egg whites back from the refrigerator and slowly fold this into the yolk cheese mixture. Do not beat this. Add this in 2 batches. Fold everything together until it is smooth and creamy. Now our filling is ready. We will keep this aside. Take your coffee mix and add liquor to this. I am using Kahlua, which is a coffee liquor. Add 2 tablespoons of Kahlua. In traditional recipes, they use masala wine. You can also use rum or Baileys as an alternative. And if you don't like adding alcohol, you can just skip this step. Adding liquor is optional. Mix this and keep it aside. Take a big pan to assemble the tiramisu in. We need around 16 to 20 lady's finger biscuits. Quickly dip the biscuits in the coffee mix and arrange them in the pan. Don't leave it in the mixture for more than 2 seconds or it will turn out soggy. Dip, drain and then arrange. Continue and fill the pan with the first layer of biscuits. Now spread half of the filling to form the second layer. If you don't get ladyfinger biscuits in your local shops, you can make your own biscuits. There are many recipes available or I'll post one later. or you can use sponge cake as an alternative. Now sprinkle cocoa powder on top and repeat the process once again. Sprinkle cocoa powder generously on top. Cocoa powder and coffee gives the flavor to tiramisu. Clean the edges of the pan. Cover this and refrigerate this for minimum 8 hours or overnight. I have taken the tiramisu out of my fridge. Dust it with more cocoa powder and you can start serving. Delicious tiramisu is ready. It has a strong flavor of coffee and cocoa. Cream is not very sweet and it's light. We have added only 2 tablespoons of sugar in this recipe. Please try this out and comment how it turned out for you. If you like the recipe, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Bye.